Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install Intellij IDEA in Windows 10. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to download Intellij IDEA, first of all we need a browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any other browser. Now open your browser. After that, type Intellij IDEA. Then you will get this screen where you can see the first website, that is www.jetbrains.com. Click on the first link. Now you will get this option, that is download. Click on it. After that, one is Windows, second is Mac OS, and third is Linux. So you can download Intellij IDEA for three of them, but we want it for Windows, so we'll download for Windows. As you can see, Windows is already selected. After that, you will see Intellij IDEA Ultimate, the leading Java and Kotlin IDE. So this is the paid version of Intellij IDEA. We don't want to download it. We want a free version. So scroll down and here you can see Intellij IDEA Community Edition. So this is the free version. After that, hit on download button. Now download is started. You have to wait for some time, depending on your internet speed. So as you can see, our download is completed. Click on it. Now you will get this screen, that is welcome to Intellij IDEA Community Edition setup. Click on next. After that, you can see destination folder. It is the default destination folder for our installation. You can change it by click on browse. After that, you can select any other folder and click on OK. Then you can change the installation folder. After that, you can see space required. So Intellij IDEA requires 2.4 GB space, and after that you can see available space. It is the available space in our hard disk. After that, click on next. Now you will get this another screen. Here, create desktop shortcut. So if you want a shortcut, then check it. After that, you will get another option, that is update path variable. Check this, it will automatically add the path. After that, you will see another option, that is update context menu. Check this. Then it's asking for create association. Here you can see Java, Gradle, Groovy, Kotlin, etc. So I want to use it for Java. So check Java. You can use any other if you want to. After that, click on next. Now you will get another screen. Then click on install. Now our installation is started. Now you will get another screen. Here you can see a message. Your computer must be restarted in order to complete the installation of Intellij IDEA Community Edition. Do you want to restart now? So you can select restart, reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later. So I am clicking on I want to manually reboot later. After that, click on finish. Our installation is successful. As you can see, our shortcut is also created here. Now click on it. Here you can see import Intellij IDEA settings. If you have settings or some directory of Intellij IDEA, you can click on it, and after that click on browse to select the folder. But I don't want to, so I am clicking on do not import setting. Then click OK. This is the welcome page of Intellij IDEA. So this is all about how to install Intellij IDEA in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notifications.